If you want to see melting clocks and mind-bending illusions, you don't need to book an expensive flight to Spain or Paris. You just need to head to the sunny coast of St. Petersburg, Florida. Welcome to the Dalí Museum. This building is a surrealist masterpiece, holding the absolute largest collection of Salvador Dalí's artwork outside of Europe. But why is the Dalí Museum in St. Petersburg? It all started with an Ohio couple named Reynolds and Eleanor Morse, who spent decades becoming close friends with Dalí and buying his art. By the 1970s, their collection was simply too massive to keep at home. They launched a nationwide search for a permanent location. After reading about their search in the Wall Street Journal, the community of St. Pete rallied together, pitched the waterfront location, and successfully convinced the Morses to bring their priceless collection to Florida. The museum actually has two birthdays. When did the Dalí Museum open in St. Petersburg? The original location first opened its doors on March 7th, 1982, inside a renovated marine warehouse. However, Florida weather is unpredictable, and priceless art needs protection. So when was the Dalí Museum built as we know it today? Construction for the spectacular, modern, hurricane-proof building began in late 2008, and it officially opened to the public on January 11th, 2011. The new building is just as weird and beautiful as Dalí's paintings. So, who designed the Dalí Museum in St. Petersburg? It was designed by renowned architect Jan Weymouth. If that name sounds familiar, it's because he also helped design the iconic glass pyramid at the Louvre in Paris. For St. Pete, Weymouth created a massive 75-foot geodesic glass bubble called the Enigma that pours out of the concrete walls, and yes, it is engineered to survive a Category 5 hurricane. Now for the big question, is the Dalí Museum free? To see the main galleries and the legendary masterwork paintings upstairs, you do need to buy a ticket. However, you can explore the ground floor absolutely free. You can walk in to check out the surrealist gift shop, grab Spanish food at Café Gala, or take a peaceful stroll through the mind-bending avant-garde outside without spending a dime. Whether you're an art lover or just love bizarre architecture, the Dalí Museum is a St. Pete experience you can't miss.